Luke Skywalker, his lightsaber. The prop department made his lightsaber out of a 1930s flash handle. This is pretty much, you attach your light bulb to it, and it attaches to the camera, and it sets out the flash. Fully motion. Flash sensitive. These aren't like the ones you find at Walmart. And this takes a long time to do because it's down to precise measurements. We're talking caliper measurements, micrometers, and just to get it down to the 10,000th of an inch, to get as accurate as we can to reference photos, what it looked like in Luke's hand in the movie. But this one has a full removable core system on the interior. If any of you guys know about Star Wars lore, what powers a lightsaber? Who knows? Crystals. So this one has a full removable core system in it. And you're left with just a machined shell, and I'll pass that around right now. So what you're left with is a 3D printed shell, and this is a black, strong, flexible plastic. You have a lot of electrical components in here. You have 4-way terminals. We have your sound, the soundboard with the SD card access. We have DC power jack. Blade locker with another blade. And also, to change your sounds.
Selection.
Yeah, you got the Imperial March on there. Oh, it plays the bar graph too. And sequence with the noise or the sound. But yeah, you can put any song you want on it, and the bar graph will play to the song. Tiny little LEDs on there, but they are very bright. This is in sunlight a little bit, so they get a little washed out. But at night, these are incredibly bright. The only thing that will wash these out is UV, so natural sunlight. Inside of them is kind of like a cellophane material, like a basket wrap. It's as simple as that. It's basket wrap. I buy it at Hobby Lobby in bulk. This actually works without the hilt body itself. The speaker, removable, but the saber itself works without the body. And this one, color changes. So this one you could do any color on the color spectrum as long as you program it into it. This is passion-based for me. I got into this because I like Star Wars, I like to build stuff, I like electronics, and I happened to work in a position at a company that trained me more, and I just did it. I went for it, and now I make good money, and I own my own little company, and I get plenty of work, and I get to make my own schedule, and it's all passion. If you guys are trying to be manufacturing students, go to university, college, do that. But just know it doesn't all rely on that. It relies on if you really want to do something, just do it. Just try it. And who knows, you guys can be CEOs of a big company in the future. But